Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade butterscotch pudding. I love to make homemade pudding as opposed to making it from the box because these are real ingredients. In the box, you're not quite sure what you're getting. So join me. Today we're making homemade butterscotch pudding. So in my saucepan, I have 1 3/4 cups of brown sugar. I have 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna go ahead, I don't have this on yet. We're gonna go ahead and stir this in here just to combine this. So in this Pyrex, I have 4 cups. I'm using whole milk, but you can use just regular, like 2%. I'm putting 4 egg yolks. And we're gonna go ahead and stir this up and break these egg yolks up. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour this in here kind of slowly and stir it into this mixture with the sugar. Making pudding is so easy. So easy. We're gonna go ahead and turn our burner on. And we wanna heat this over medium heat. And we're gonna bring it to a boil. And once it's at a boil, we are going to boil it for about 2 minutes until it thickens. Okay, so while this is coming to a boil, you wanna stir it constantly. And look at how thick it's getting. So we are at a bubble. Ah!
It's making a mess.
It bubbled out. We're just gonna let it thicken for a couple minutes here. Wow, it's looking good. Wow.
I might have to come over and investigate that, my fair boo.
So that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat up. Woo! So I'm gonna go ahead and put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I have 4 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna go ahead and put that in here. And we're gonna stir till that butter melts. Wow. Looks beautiful. That, my friends, is pudding. Okay, our pudding's nice and thick, and it smells delicious. It's got that classic butterscotch color. Ooh, that looks really good. Does that look good, Boo?
I don't know. Let me get closer to it, my pretty.
Okay, so we have our pudding. We want to take some plastic wrap, and you don't just want to cover it. You want to press the plastic wrap down in so it sits on the surface of the pudding. This is so it won't get a skin on it. So you want it to directly cover that, and it basically just cuts the air out. I'm going to put a piece here, right on that. That keeps the skin from forming on the top of your pudding. So we're going to let this cool to room temperature. We're going to throw it in the refrigerator. And once it's totally cool, Eric's going to take a taste test, which might be tomorrow. So we'll be back when it's ready. So we're back. It's like the next day, and the pudding has had a chance to set up. Eric's going to try it. I obviously can't try it because I'm allergic to dairy, right? So go for it, Boo.
Need a little bit of whipped cream.
Put some whipped cream on there.
So this is butterscotch. which I've never had homemade butterscotch before.
Does it taste like butterscotch?
It's really creamy, smooth. It doesn't have some of the starchy taste that the commercial stuff has. It's just, it is wonderful, I'll say that. It's like really clean tasting. Yeah.
I think you'll eat all of this by the end of the day.
Bye!
So Cooks, homemade butterscotch pudding. This is so much better than out of the box. It's homemade, it's fresh ingredients, and you know exactly what's in it. Try it. You'll love it.